Unraveling the mystery of double kiss in English. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning journey. In this video, we're going to explore a fascinating and somewhat less common phrase in English, double kiss. This phrase can be intriguing, and its meaning might not be immediately obvious. So, stay tuned as we dive into the world of English expressions and idioms. Double kiss might sound romantic or affectionate at first, but it's actually a term that comes from the world of sports, specifically from billiards or snooker. In these games, a kiss refers to a situation where a ball lightly touches another ball. Therefore, a double kiss happens when a cue ball hits a target ball, bounces off a cushion or rail, and then hits the target ball a second time. It's often an unintentional and undesirable outcome in these games. While double kiss is rooted in billiards and snooker, the phrase can sometimes be used metaphorically in everyday language. It can describe a situation where someone or something makes contact twice in an unexpected or unplanned manner. This usage is much less common and is usually understood within specific contexts or with additional explanation. Let's see how double kiss can be used in sentences. 1. In sports, he was aiming for the corner pocket, but a double kiss sent the ball in the wrong direction. 2. Metaphorically, when trying to fix the issue, we encountered a double kiss scenario, as our solution created a new problem that brought us back to the original issue. Double kiss is a great example of how specific phrases in English can have origins in particular domains like sports and then extend into more general usage. Understanding such phrases not only enhances your language skills but also enriches your cultural knowledge. I hope this video has shed light on this interesting expression. Keep exploring and enjoying the richness of the English language.